This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding which intercept you need and acting immediately. For an x-intercept, set y equal to 0 and solve the resulting equation for x. For a y-intercept, set x equal to 0 and solve for y. Once done, rearrange terms so the variable you want is isolated on one side, move constants and combine like terms. Make sure to simplify first. Clear parentheses and combine like terms so you have one linear step to solve numerically. Now execute the algebraic steps to get a numeric answer. If fractions appear, multiply both sides by the least common denominator to clear them. Once cleared, distribute and combine like terms carefully so you do not drop signs. If you end up with linear form, just isolate the variable. If you get quadratic, factor when possible or use the quadratic formula. When solving, check each arithmetic step to avoid sign errors, because one mistake changes both intercepts. Finish by verifying and interpreting the results. Plug each candidate intercept back into the original equation to confirm it satisfies the equation. If it does not, revisit your algebra. Then plot the points x, 0 and 0, y, so you can see the intercepts on the axes and confirm relative positions. If something goes wrong, recheck signs, check for restricted domains or extraneous roots, and repeat the algebra step by step until the substitution checks out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.